Hey guys, welcome to another point of view video of driving Nissan 350Z. This will be another quick point of view video of me driving through Czech backroads with the 2004 Nissan 350Z manual transmission VQ35DE engine. So this car makes about 280 horsepower. It's pretty much stock, it's just lowered. It has a wheel space roof and a front lip. Let me pass this boy. There's just too much traffic today. I don't know what to do. Some Hyundai. So I've owned this car pretty much. It will be 1 year in 1 month. So I got used to that car, even though it might seem to be hard to get used to daily drive sports car like a Nissan 350Z. But it isn't that bad. Just the fuel consumption is a concern for me, but on a good day and a good road with no traffic, I can get to 8 liters per 100 kilometers. Here are my favorite roads. Fortunately, we have some traffic in front of us. That's too bad. Oh, this Passat, man. A fast section over here. They're doing about 120 kilometers per hour, which is a lot for this kind of road. To another village, so we have to slow down a little bit. There are a lot of elevation changes. Too much wind noise, I'm sorry guys. Already. Alright, another village, so we have to slow down. Okay guys, so I think that was about it. It was just a little drive with a 350Z. The weather seems that the winter is coming, so I still have my summer tires on this car. So I need to be careful because today is icy weather, and I don't think I'll be switching to winter tires for this year's winter, because usually we don't get a lot of days with snow So I don't if it starts to snow, I just don't drive this car. That's alright. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. I'll be making some more videos in the future with various sports cars. Take care and peace.